Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at gold futures today. This is our 240-minute chart, and you can see that gold had this reversal doji right here, and this reversal doji triggered to the upside. And when it triggered to the upside, it triggered to the upside with a bullish inflection on momentum. 5 and 13 crossed to the upside, right up here against resistance and breaking through. So we have a bullish setup, a bullish trigger, and a bullish 240-minute chart. So coming into today's session, we have a bullish bias overall. And then here's our 30-minute chart. And you can see this morning off the gold ghost pit open, we triggered a bull flag. We had a bullish bar with a bottoming tail, another bottoming tail off of support. 513 crossed to the upside, ultimately 513 and 21 all in alignment. We triggered the bull flag, and the way you can trade a 30-minute chart is on the trigger, your stop just goes a few ticks below the previous bar. And you can see that bull flag actually triggered in gold at 1889.50, and if you just trailed a couple ticks behind each bar, now you had some profit and some pretty decent pullbacks. I mean, you can see gold didn't exactly go straight up. Lots of tails. It bounced back and forth above and below the 200. Really couldn't decide for sure what it wanted to do, but ultimately kept climbing. And if you were trailing couple ticks underneath each bar, you would actually still be in this trade in gold. Again, you triggered in at 1889.50. Right now, your stop would be at 1897.50. So you'd be up about $800 per contract. You may even consider, you're right up here near. If you hit 1898.50, you may even want to consider taking that off. That's going to be close to $1,000 per contract. So that wouldn't be a bad place to take profits if you happen to get up there. Our initial target was actually 1898.20. So we're getting close to our initial target as we speak. If you get there, you may even want to consider taking it off, or you may even want to consider tightening your stop at this point, locking in a little more profit. But all in all, this has been a pretty solid trade off of the 30-minute chart in gold. Again, you had the bullish 240-minute chart, and then if you're just trailing individual bars, you're still in this. Now, again, you would have taken some heat on this because gold didn't exactly go straight up. Lots of up and down movement. But if you're a conservative trader trading the 30-minute chart, this is how you trade it, and you'd be looking pretty good in gold right now.